Yo, Lucas, wake up. Wake up. Yo, wake up. Today's the biggest day of my life.
Come on,
Lucas, wake up. Come on. Come on, Lucas, wake up.
what's going on?
We gotta go.
Go where?
Oh, just get dressed.
What's going on? Is everything okay?
Yo, today's a big day. Just wake up, alright?
What's gonna happen?
Just wake up.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, come on. Yo, hurry up.
Alright, I'm hurrying up. You ready to go?
Yeah, let's go. Dang. I've literally been waiting a year for this. So, alright, let's go. We're gonna be late.
Alright, come on, bro.
Alright, come on.
Alright, go.
Go.
Yo, you excited, bro?
Bro, we're 2 hours and a half away.
I can't believe today is the day, bro.
Yeah.
Are you excited for him?
I'm kind of speechless, honestly.
I know, right?
Look at him.
Yeah, he's so excited. Look at him. Hey! Look who's excited. Bro, we're almost there.
We're almost there. I can't wait for everyone to see how happy this makes Marcus. Like and subscribe. Get your merch at shopdobre.com. We just came out with new merch. I think today's the last day to get it. So get your merch today, right now. Guys, this is gonna make Marcus so happy, and you guys get to watch it and enjoy it. So I'm so blessed to have this happen, and we're so grateful. It's amazing.
Wait, isn't that your old car?
I'm excited. Come here. Bro, this is my old car.
Yeah.
Still miss you, baby.
Yeah.
Still miss you.
Well, now we're on to new things.
We're on to better things. Today's Marcus' biggest day. Look how excited he is.
Yeah,
He doesn't
look
even
at
know
him.
what to think right now.
Yeah.
He's literally running all over the place. He doesn't know what's going
Yeah.
on. Yo, this is crazy.
Here's your receipts.
Signing my life away.
So just initial.
The big movement.
Flip it over. You feel like you're okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Do you need a drink or anything?
Nah, I'm good. You want a cup of coffee or anything? I'm good. Get out of here. Alright, sorry, I'll leave.
That'll be great. Could you guys step out for this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, very business. Did you see?
Yeah, he's handling business deals.
Yep.
Like we said, shout out to Porsche for the main line for hooking this up. This is
course.
crazy. They have the best dealership. Make sure you guys check them out and buy your cars from here. I can't wait to see it. Bro, I'm just excited as Marcus. Like, I don't know what to
He's
say.
waiting 7 months for this.
Yeah. Let's try to peek.
Still signing. Still signing.
Still signing?
Yeah.
Marcus.
Congratulations, Marcus.
Thanks. Is this a gift?
It is.
Careful, bro. Sensitive. What? Yo. What is that? Is that?
Chocolate Porsche.
Yo! Yo!
Wow.
I can eat this?
You can eat it. Just collect it, right?
Yeah,
Don't
maybe.
even eat it. Just keep it, bro.
Whoa.
Should I eat it? Should I eat it?
Whoa.
Huh?
Is there any way? No. Is there any way we can Nah, just eat it.
Just
It's gonna
eat
melt.
it.
Yeah. Take a bite.
The best
Hey.
chocolate. Want some? Yeah, I want to take a bite. Mmm.
Tasty, right?
Oh, good.
Hey, look at your new whip.
This is my new whip.
Hey. Come on, sit on it. Take it for a spin. Real
Lucas,
quick.
push me. Oh, I got you. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. You gotta push me harder.
Ah, it's not that
I
fast.
think you're a little too big for the car.
Yeah, bro.
Whoa.
I think you might have to return it.
Yeah.
You ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready.
A year in the making, bro.
Bro, this. Sorry. Bro, this is it. Yeah.
All right. No peeking.
Give him a little sneak peek.
No
Can I
sneak
peek?
peek. No sneak peek.
Why?
No sneak peek. Not
Give him
yet.
a little color of it. I didn't even see it yet.
No. Up. Nope. I'm not showing it yet.
Hold this. Okay. Hold the chocolate. Okay, sorry, I'm holding the chocolate. I'm ready for it now. Who's
Let's
gonna
get it.
unveil it? It's happening
Ready?
now?
1 second.
Ready?
Marcus.
Who's gonna help him? Who's gonna help him? Should I help him?
Yeah. Help
okay,
him.
I'll
Help him. Everyone ready? Oh. goodness.
What kind of car is this?
GT2, yo.
What?
Look at this.
A GT2.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. Dude.
Looks way better in person. Yo.
Congrats, dope.
Look at this.
Look at this. Look at the detail.
Go inside, Marcus. Go inside.
Drive
Drive
it? Yeah. No, drive it, but go inside. Sit down. Go ahead, bro.
Yo. Look inside. Look inside.
Oh.
Yo, get inside. Get inside.
Alright.
Yo, start it up. Start it up.
Dope. This is dope. There's a fire extinguisher in there. That's funny. Yo, he's so happy right now. He's so happy. It's a race car. He doesn't know what to say. It's basically a race car on the streets. This is crazy. This is all I've been waiting for, honestly, guys. You alright, Marcus? You alright? You alright, Marcus? This is so
There it is.
Marcus, what are you thinking right now, bro? Bro, this is all I've ever asked for. Like, God is amazing. Let's go a little bit fast. Let's go a little bit fast. Alright, but always safe, right? Whoa. Oh, yo, that's crazy, bro. Safety first, Marcus. Smash, right? What are you thinking right now, Marcus? Bro, I'm speechless right now. You are, right? Yeah. Bro, this is honestly crazy, guys. I feel like I'm in a little video game driving, like. Lucas, how do you feel in it, bro? Well, I'm so happy. I'm so happy for you. We have the extinguisher here for safety. We got the extinguisher up there for safety. This is insane. I'm so happy for you, Marcus. You deserve this. Look at the red ceiling. Look at the red roof. Red is my favorite color. I'm gonna race you and beat you. No, you're not. Yeah, I am. My car's faster than yours. No, it's not. Marcus's dream car right here. Bro. It has so much. Look at the big wing. It's crazy. It's like a race car, like yeah. Yo, it's fast. Rev it? Yeah, hold on. Go ahead. Yo, look how fresh this is, bro. It's like a race car. All because of you guys. We want to see you drive from the outside, alright? Alright.
Yo, I really hope he's happy with it.
Yeah. Honestly, I've never seen him this happy before.
Right?
Yeah. Look at him. Like,
Yeah.
he's enjoying it.
Yeah, he's enjoying the car. Beautiful.
Yeah.
So beautiful. So Marcus, right?
Yeah. Taking off like a rocket ship.
Yeah.
Fun fact. I don't know if I'm supposed to tell you guys, but Marcus failed his driver's license test like 3 times. So, but
No, actually, wasn't it 4?
I don't know. I'm not sure, but he's a good driver now, so it's fine.
Yeah. Oh.
Bro, did you see the flyby?
Yeah, I did see that. I filmed it. What are you talking about? Yeah, it's awesome,
Crazy,
dude. Dude, I'm in love with the entire interior. Man.
Oh, look at Lucas.
Yeah.
He should be back any minute now. Is he coming up? That's him, right? Yeah. Marcus, come on.
I thought I heard him.
Man, it's so fresh.
I know, right?
No, he's not hitting me.
Oh. Don't get the
Yeah.
car in the dirt, please. You like it?
Oh, I see it coming. I see
Yeah.
it coming. Let's
Get all the ladies now.
So, Marcus, I have another surprise for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, what is it?
Alright, I'll be back, okay? Stay out here. Stay out here, I'll be back.
Go inside?
Alright, cool.
He's ready. Yeah, he's ready.
Dude, really?
What's up, Marcus? I have a surprise for you. What? You excited? Yeah, I'm super excited. What is it?
What do you think it is?
Chiquituares. Ow. Oh. Open it. Open the box. It's a mini car of your car. Yo, what the heck? Look at this.
Cord, nah, chita.
Okay, Marcus.
Think he likes the model car.
Give us a minute. Give us a minute. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And like I said, shout out to Porsche, the main line, for this. And guys, don't forget to get your merch at shopdobre.com. Get your merch. It's selling out really quick. Alright. Love you guys.